Hello and good evening, everyone. I think we are meeting again in this wonderful platform of Karma Foundation, and it's exactly the 6 o'clock. It's a wonderful Sunday evening. Hope that the audio and video is working properly, and soon I think that the people will join. It's a time of a gradual unlocking the self, and at the same time it's a time where we need to understand the threat of corona as well in a right ways. I don't know whether the things are functioning properly or not. I'm still there to working it out. uh, I hope that the people are seeing it rightly. Yes. Vivek is watching. Hi, Vivek. Hope that the audio and video is working properly. Can you give me some notification? Can you write some comment? Am I able to read that or not? I don't know. Let me see if there is an issue. Hi, Vivek. If you are watching, can you guide me that whether am I audible enough or not? Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you very much, Vivek. So, it's about the emotional healing for one more time. Uh, Last time we communicated couple of things when we did one session of a relationship healing with the on this from the same page, and then the other time I think we have seen that the wonderful thing of uh, ideas where in last May, as far as I can remember, there were many topics which were one by one lot of masters has taken, and the same is we are doing in the June as well, and the same we are going to do in the July as well, because uh, with the foundation of against depression, what we are trying is we want to build some concrete creation, we want to build some concrete work कि जिसमें जो व्यक्ति है उसको इमोशनल हेल्थ के साथ जुड़ी हुई जो जो चीज़ें हैं उसके साथ वो अच्छे से डील कर पाए, उसके साथ उसकी अवेयरनेस बढ़ा पाए. क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम जब हमने अगेंस्ट डिप्रेशन का सेशन किया था उस वक्त मैंने कुछ फिगर्स शेयर किए थे, और वो फिगर्स में यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड, बट वो फिगर्स ऐसे थे जिसमें ऐसा था कि इट इज़ लाइक at the interval of every 40 seconds one person is doing a suicide in the world. So it's like around 8 to 9 lakh people in the whole across the globe. So now can you imagine, that how big this problem is? I think it's far more bigger than probably the corona right now. So it has nothing to do with comparing corona in this, but my idea is that this is also a pandemic. The world has to solve it rightly, the world has to solve it appropriately, and that's the reason that we are trying to deal with it, and we are trying to talk to all of you every month. I would love if someone asks some question or something. But anyways, seeing towards right now, the limitations, let us start talking. Emotional healing can be subdivided, the issue can be subdivided into 2-3 steps in order to get well. The first part of emotional healing, first part, which we generally in counseling as well do it with many patients or communicate with many. first part is that one needs to understand one's own emotion. अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या होता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कि हम लोग इवेंट टू इवेंट हमारे इमोशंस को जस्टिफाई करते हैं, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी मेनी टाइम्स कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज आवर ओन इमोशनल डायमेंशंस एंड रिएक्टिव डायमेंशंस. So that's the reason that the first step towards emotional healing is that one needs to understand one's own self and one's own emotional and reactive patterns. That's the first stage, step one. So आज I'm not going to talk for a very long. I'm just going to have a talk for only I think rather say 20-25 minutes maximum. But during that phase of time I would like to share some of the very practical stages of creating an emotional healing. The first step is understanding one's own emotional pattern, one's own emotions. So, उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? You have to write a everyday diary where every day you are writing in the night or you are writing in the early morning, whatever time suits you. But it is better to write it before sleep because in the sleep lot many emotions are getting settled automatically. So it is better कि आप हर रोज़ रात को सोने से पहले you write down something कि आज कहाँ पे मुझे फियर जो है वो प्रपोर्शन से ज़्यादा लगा, कहाँ पे मुझे जो 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 एंजाइटी है वो ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा लगी, कहाँ पे मुझे गुस्सा ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा आया, कहाँ पे मैंने ज़्यादा इम्पल्सिवली रिएक्ट कर लिया. These are the very small facts, but they create our life, let me tell you. So first thing is create an everyday emotional understanding diary of yours. That's the first stage you need to follow. Then after understanding, the second part is that understand clearly that out of these things, which are the repetitive points which are coming. That will help you in identifying your problem area. Like suppose you are feeling that your boss is not listening you. Then you are having a feeling that your wife is not listening you, or vice versa. Then you are having a feeling that your friends are not listening you. Then over a period of time you will realize that people are not listening to me is my problem. It's many a times it's not the people's problem. So you will be able to identify the problem area very soon. That's the second stage, identifying the problem area. Then the third important point of healing your emotions is that after identification, write down the positive emotion of yours in the same area. The positive emotion of yours in the same area. I'm giving you a simple example, like suppose everyone feels that one feels every time that I'm not being listened to. That is my problem, suppose. Now I have identified this. Now the third step of healing it is make a list of it, that how many of the people in the world are actually listening to you, or try and understand what exactly you are feeling when somebody is not listening to you. That will still give you a stage of more awareness about the self. See, very clearly understand one thing, that before you move to any kind of healing, before you move to any kind of psychotherapy, before you move to any kind of healing techniques as well, none of them are useful unless and until you don't know yourself. You know, there is one wonderful story of Nachiketa, the wonderful human being who as a kid has to face once on one fine day, as per the story, that he has to face the Yama. And the Yama told that, ask me anything, whatever you want, you please let me know what you want. Now a very young boy who could have asked lot many things, वो बहुत सारी चीज़ों को मांग सकता था. उसने एक ही चीज़ को मांगी, that is the आत्मज्ञान. That is a process of understanding the self. जैसे ही हमारे अंदर वो आत्मज्ञान बिल्ड होता है, वैसे ही नेचुरली हमारे इमोशंस जो है वो अंडरस्टैंड होने शुरू होते हैं, वो समझ में आने शुरू होते हैं. और जैसे ही वो समझ में आने शुरू होते हैं, वो हील होने के रास्ते में चले जाते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज, सो जैसा हमने आज स्टेजेस में देखा, सबसे पहला स्टेज मेक अ डायरी, दूसरा स्टेज इज दैट आइडेंटिफाई योर प्रॉब्लम एरिया, देन तीसरा स्टेज इज ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड योर स्ट्रोंगर इमोशन. जैसे कि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि दुनिया में कोई मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं है, तो आपको क्या करना है, तीसरे स्टेज में यू नीड टू मेक अ ग्रेटिट्यूड डायरी. आपको ऐसा लगता है कोई मुझे सुनता नहीं है, आपको क्या करना है, यू नीड टू मेक और क्रिएट a document where you are listing out the people who are listening to you, whom you feel that they are listening to you. कोई तो होगा. देखिए, बहुत सिंपल सी बात है, हमारे मन का एक भाव हमेशा हमारे अंदर रहता है, और वो भाव है सेंस ऑफ मिसिंग समथिंग, that we are not happy with certain things. That is a sense that we are missing something in the life. You know what is the solution of it? The solution of it is make a list of what are you having in the life. Because we are very good at making a list of what I am missing, but we are not very good at making a list of what are we having. Like I'm giving you a simple example, right? Many people who would be having a car would not be very happy with the car what they have, because they wanted some other more luxurious one, and they can't enjoy what they have. Somebody would be having a house and they would be needing a better house than what they have. So most of the time you won't think that, oh, there are crores and crores of homeless in the world. I have my own home. And where if AC is fitting in, then I think that it is the best possible luxury what I have. That I can adjust my room temperature as per my need, not as per the climate. So I think that I have everything. But the problem of us is that rather than suppose we are having a spouse. Isn't it a wonderful thing of having a spouse? Suppose one is having a kid. Isn't it a wonderful feeling to have a kid? If you don't know, then ask someone who is not having a kid and ask them that what is your feeling about it. पर हम किड होने से खुश नहीं है. हमारा अगर किड है तो फिर उसकी क्वालिटीज हमें ऐसी ऐसी चाहिए, वो उसमें नहीं है तो हम खुश नहीं है. That's the problem we have. So, the third step is always make note of what positive thing you have. Make a list of it. And then focus the last part, चौथा जो पार्ट है वो ये है इमोशनल हीलिंग के लिए, कि आपके जो स्ट्रॉन्गर इमोशंस हैं उसको आपको ग्रेजुअली लिखने में ज़्यादा आए और जो एबनॉर्मल इमोशन है वो लिखने में कम आए, उस प्रकार से आपकी डायरी का इवोल्यूशन होना चाहिए. Suppose when I am starting to write a diary, the first thing what I am doing is like, I am writing a diary and then मैं दिन में 5 बार गुस्सा हो गया था क्योंकि मुझे किसी ने सुना नहीं था. फिर मैं पहला स्टेप फॉलो करने के बाद मुझे समझ में आता है कि मुझे कोई सुनता नहीं है, वो मेरा प्रॉब्लम है. प्रॉब्लम मेरी आइडेंटिफाई किया. फिर मैंने वो देखा कि नहीं यार, लेकिन आज ये 3 लोगों ने सुना, चौथे का ध्यान नहीं था, लेकिन उसको मैंने 2 बार जब इंस्ट्रक्शंस रिपीट की तो फिर उसने भी मेरी बात सुनी, तो प्रॉब्लम सोल्व हो गया. तो अब मेरे जो डायरी है उसमें आज इन 4 लोगों ने जब मेरी बातें सुन के रिकॉग्नाइज किया तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. उन पॉइंट्स की डायरी में एंट्री होगी और जैसे जैसे वो एंट्री होती जाएगी, वो एंट्री रिपीटेटिव होती जाएगी. यू कैन सी दैट दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम एरिया ऑफ योर लाइफ विल ग्रेजुअली स्टार्ट गेटिंग रिड्यूस्ड. So with the help of these 4 stages, you can do your emotional healing. And I think that if we can do this only, we can magnify many areas of the world. I can remember one of the cases where the person had a very severe identity issue that, many people have this, that I am nobody, as if considering that, मुझे कोई कंसिडर नहीं करता, मुझे कोई रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर रहा है, मेरा कोई सुन नहीं रहा है. ये सब आइडेंटिटी इश्यूज के साथ जुड़ी हुई चीज़ें हैं. तो देर वॉज अ केस एंड व्हेन आई सीन, आई वॉज फॉर्चुनेट इनफ टू लुक एट अ वंडरफुल चेंज दे फाउंड. उसने बोला कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब तक लोग मुझे आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस था, इसलिए लोग मुझे रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं. अब जैसे जैसे मेरा आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस मैं समझ रहा हूँ, वैसे वैसे मुझे लग रहा है कि लोग रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहे हैं. अब आप सोचिए, लोग तो वही है, इवेंट्स भी वही है, हमारा नजरिया बदला है. So before we end today's talk, I would just like to convey only one thing, that when you want to heal anything, it can be emotions, it can be anything else, you have to go and create a change inside you, not outside you. The moment you will go inside and the moment you will see the changes inside, you will find that the things will automatically, naturally start changing outside. So that's all about today's talk. It was a great time again, one more time, to be at the stage of Karma Foundation, at the platform of Karma Foundation. Make sure that you focus upon your own emotions and then make a list of it. Identify your problem area, then understand your stronger emotional parts, make your strength, and then those stronger emotion will help you in coming out of the repetitive trauma of your weaker emotions. That's the only thing which I wanted to convey you today. Have a great Sunday evening ahead. I would still again like to show you a little bit of beautiful scene outside and then we will finish. Let me change the camera's view. This is, I think, a beautiful Sunday evening. This is a sun, post eclipse sun, I think, isn't it? And the beauty of the life is the same, that whatever problems we may face in our life, the nature remains as it is, because the nature is always aligned to the natural forces, and most of the time we as a human try to create our own changes, which is in a way a good part, which makes human what we are. our ambitions, our aspirations, our expectations, our passion, our desire for power, everything that is important. But at the same time, one should remember that ultimately the most important thing in the life is the living essence in itself. And the more you will be focused upon that, naturally lot many negativities, you will be able to throw it out. Goodbye, take care, have a great time, and don't miss to meet in the next topic to the next wonderful speaker. Goodbye.